Beginning sounds. Hello, guys. Hope you're doing well. Can you tell me the name of the picture? What's that? Is it a car? Yes, it's a car. Car. Do you know what is the beginning sound of car? It's k. Car. Yes. What can you see in the next picture? What is that? It is a fish. Yes. It is fish. Okay. I can see a fresh green leaf. Who can tell me the word leaf begins with which letter? Yes. You're right. It's leaf. I can see a squeaky mouse in the fourth picture. Who can tell me the word mouse begin with? Yes, who can? You. Yeah, sure. Tell me. It's mouse. Mouse. Let's go into the next picture. What is that? Yes, we use it to take the goods. Can you see that? Oh, yeah. We don't have it in our homes as well. It's a basket. The basket begins with B. Yes, it's a B. Basket. I can see a beautiful fruit. The juicy, crunchy, and very sweet and healthy. What can you see? It's an apple. Yes. The apple begins with A. Yeah, can you tell me again? Apple. Right. I can see one more thing here. It's a transport. What can you see? Who can tell me the name? Okay, what's that? It's a train. We travel on the train. The train begins with T. Yes, it's a to train. Right. The next picture I can see is my favorite thing to eat. And all of you love it too. What's that? Who can tell me the name? Yes, it's an ice cream. Yes, the ice cream. I can see one more thing in the coming picture. And that's what? Who can tell me? I'm not gonna tell you now. It's what? Yes, you're right. It's a helicopter. Helicopter. Wow. Excellent, children. Now go on with the rest of the pictures and enjoy the page.